The COVID-19 pandemic has disrupted so many industries, and manufacturing is no different. Health and safety concerns have stalled production and affected operations everywhere. Manufacturing will bounce back when factories are equipped with tools that help support a safe and healthy workplace. Such tools will help with sanitization schedules, continuous monitoring of health with stringent testing, enforcement of health and safety protocols for workers, and reduction of risk of community transmission. Infosys presents Return to Workplace suite of solutions to help manufacturing enterprises ensure safer workspaces and resilient operations for a more productive return to the shop. Our solution suite capitalizes on cutting-edge technologies such as artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, computer vision, edge computing, biometrics, gesture controls, and 5G to help your workforce resume work safely. The Infosys Return to Workplace framework incorporates 5 key phases to ensure a safe workplace and a healthy workforce. Isolation is required to treat workers and avoid community spread. For a global mining company, Infosys developed a mobile app to identify workers with COVID-19 symptoms and guide them through the isolation protocol. Developing clear and concise guidelines for return is critical to creating a safe work environment for your employees. Infosys offers return-to-work playbook consulting, sanitization solutions, self-declaration forms, daily health and wellness surveys, as well as a pandemic chatbot. In the absence of a cure for COVID-19, preventing the spread of the virus is vital to the safety of your employees and community at large. Infosys delivers solutions such as automated and contactless elevated body temperature monitoring, contact tracing, and social distancing monitoring. Data security and privacy are paramount in our solutions, and we only capture data for analysis without collecting personally identifiable information. Protocols and standard operating procedures in this new normal are fundamental to ensure safety on the shop floor. Infosys uses contactless biometric for employee access, AI-driven video processing for mass compliance monitoring, and Bluetooth low-energy wearables for accurate contact tracing. Our desk reservation apps and occupancy analytics monitor traffic and congestion in workplaces to enforce new occupancy limits and social distancing. Infosys wants the manufacturing industry to thrive and return to business as usual as soon as possible. Our suite of wellness solutions, awareness sessions, transparent and real-time communication systems, and structured leadership reporting support employees to return to work with confidence. To support these offerings, we've developed a return-to-workplace platform, which operates on a foundation of cloud and API technologies. Infosys believes that manufacturing enterprises will flourish in the new normal. Our return-to-workplace offerings are designed to protect employees and allow them to work in a safe work environment that complies with new and emerging health and safety norms. Infosys, building safe and resilient workplaces.